Make something easy for dinner. Bingo, bango, bongo. Juice on there for some more flavoring. Make sure it gets all that marinade up in there. This chicken was already pre-cooked and marinated. So all we're really doing here is just giving this just a little bit more color and heating it up. As you're getting all roasty toasty, we're gonna bring in us a bag of tortellini. Let that get some toastage. Flatten all those out so everybody gets a nice, good color and flavor. If only my boys would coordinate which one's going cross lines and which one's going horizontal. Hey boy, keep your mind straight. Are you having fun? Typical. Toddler, no answer. It's like talking to a CIA agent. Give all that a good mix. Oh no, another aluminum pan! I work to get them kids inside all at the same time. And yes, I did grab one for road snacks. I know what you're thinking. Where's the sauce? Don't worry. I brought the big guns. Told you I was gonna make it delicious. Yeah. Just a little bit of milk to get the rest out of the jar and we're good to go. Hey, you paid for the whole thing? Use the whole thing. Don't be ashamed. You know how mama raised you? If you want to go the extra mile, you can also add green peppers or broccoli. This right here, I mean, you listen to my kids in the background playing. I did this while they were hustling and bustling. It was a no-fuss, easy meal. In my case, I got a little extra time before my wife gets back. So we're going to turn this into a bake. So I'm going to top it with mozzarella, about 2 cups or so. Or the rest of your bag. I'm going to hit this with some Creole seasoning. Just a couple good passes. Throw this in the oven at 350 until the cheese is good and melted. Throw down some hot pads so you don't burn your wife's counter up. Alfredo bake. I definitely have to grab the darker part off the side here, so easy peasy, everything but lemon squeezy. Yo, would you just look at that right there? I know we had to bake it for a little extra, but that's because I went the extra step. You could have just cooked it all the way on the griddle and been fine, but let's go in for that taste test. If you want to throw in some green pepper or some broccoli, it'd be perfect for this.
A cat ate fish. That's Mickey's friend.
A cat ate a fish. That's Mickey's friend.
It's Mickey.
I can dig it.
It's some of his pets.
You want to try this?
I'm fine.
I offered it to her. So you're going to sit there and look me in the eye and tell me you hadn't followed me yet? That's your fault. You're missing out.